Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Digisol Wi-Fi adapter on Windows 7,8 and Windows 10. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. It shows Wi-Fi adapter not installed on your system. Insert driver CD. Click Drivers and Utility. Accept the license agreements, click Next. Install driver only. Click Install anyway. Click Finish, exit. Now check in Device Manager, Wi-Fi adapter is successfully installed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.